Welcome to the ultimate guide to family law mediation. Thanks for watching today. My name is Stacy Perez, and I'm a family law attorney in Tampa, Florida, and I'm also a certified family law mediator. In today's video, we're going to discuss family law mediation, what it is, who is involved, what the process looks like logistically, and some helpful ways you can have a successful mediation. What is mediation? If you've never been involved in a family law matter such as a divorce or a custody dispute, then you may not know what mediation is. Mediation is one of the first steps in resolving a family law case. It is the process required in most family law matters, and it involves the parties coming together with the assistance of a mediator to hash out all the issues involved in their case in order to hopefully reach a resolution that very day. Mediation can help resolve your case much faster than if you were to have a trial and ask the judge to decide all of the important details of your case. Through the mediation process, couples are empowered to decide how they raise their kids, spend their money, and divide their property, instead of having a judge do those things for them. What is the mediator's role? A mediator is a person who has been trained and certified through the Florida Supreme Court to work specifically with couples involved in family law cases. They don't take sides, and they are neutral. Their job is to facilitate a productive conversation between the parties. Even though they may be an attorney, they do not give legal advice. They're there to get everyone talking to one another. Another question you might have is who chooses the mediator? If you're working through the court system and using someone provided through them, you may not be able to choose someone who specifically works on your case. But if you're working with someone who is in private practice, meaning that they are not employed through the courts, you and your spouse will have to come to an agreement about the person you choose. If you choose to work with an attorney, they can also provide valuable insight as to which mediator to work on your case based on their experience, the needs of your case, their location, and your budget. Family law matters can be very emotional, and usually there are a lot of feelings that get stirred up when soon-to-be ex-spouses are in the same room. One question a lot of clients have is, do I have to be in the same room as my spouse? The answer is no. If you or your spouse prefers to participate in the mediation, but just in a different room, that's perfectly normal and is referred to as caucusing. That can be done at the beginning of the mediation session or at any time if one party feels the need to separate for a bit. Don't let the fear of seeing your ex give you anxiety before or during the mediation session. Helpful tips for a successful mediation. You'll want to prepare for your mediation in a way that will lead to a successful resolution of your case. Here are some ways that you can do that. 1. Have specific goals. Write them down if that helps you. Also write down any questions you might have about what is to be accomplished during the mediation. 2. Know that you might not agree with what your spouse or what their attorney is asking for right off the bat. Have a plan for how you're going to keep calm and keep moving forward with the session. 3. Have a plan for what you'd ideally like to walk away with, what areas in which you're willing to compromise, and what areas are deal breakers for you. 4. Keep an open mind and a positive outlook. Remember that you will probably be happier with the agreement that you had input in creating rather than one that was ordered by a judge. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found the information useful. Keep on the lookout for future videos and posts. Please give us a follow on Facebook and Instagram using Stacy Perez Legal or on the web at North Tampa Family Mediation. Thanks again.